This is a program that shows you how to do updatable integer arrays via lists. Python doesn't allow this, and there's a cheat, and I was very frustrated trying to figure out how to create an array where I could update it. And I finally stumbled across something that works. So this works under Python 3, this is Python 3, and this is for 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional updatable integer arrays using lists. The secret, and I'm going to give away the secret, and that's what we're going to do right here, is you must fill out the array with numbers to allow yourself to update it later. If you try to create an empty array and then you try to update it later, it will blow up on you. So here's my example to prove that it works. We're going to initialize a 4x9 integer array in lists. And so here it is. We're just going to create this. We're going to fill it with zeros, as you can see here. Then we're going to print it out, and then we're going to go back through and we're going to modify one of the numbers in the array, and then we're going to reprint it, and you can see that it works without blowing up. So yes, you can create an array that you can actually modify live, real time. And then I'm going to do it for this is a 2-dimensional array, and then we're going to do it for a 3-dimensional array. So again, this is not very complex unless you really need it, and it's very frustrating to try to find the answer because they say can't do it. And boom, there it is. So there's the original array we created, just filled with zeros. And then here I went back through and I just modified some of the entries in the array. This is a 2-dimensional, and then the 3-dimensional array, the same thing. I zeroed it out, and then I went back and I modified it during runtime, and as you can see, it works without blowing up. I get a normal termination at the bottom of my program. So that's it. This is one of those things that if you don't know about in Python, you can bang your head on the wall for a very long time before you get it to work. I hope you find this really useful and interesting in your Python programming.